Hi, moms and dads. Welcome back to the Honest Motherhood. I hope you all are doing good and also your kids are doing great. So, today, my baby's school, there is a color day and they have opted for mint green and white for boys and peach for girls. So, yes, I don't have anything in mint. So, ended up buying for him. And I always want him to get along with the things that is going in the school because it is really important. I mean, I've seen some of the parents, they end up not sending their kids to school because just because they don't have that particular color of a dress, or they end up sending them in a different color of a dress, which is really not right. Parents, mom and dad, please look into it. It's really important because kids, they will feel bad. I mean, you might feel that okay, they're just a baby, what will they even understand? But no, it's really important that we do follow what is being told in the school. And to be very honest, kids, I mean, if you want, you can also buy kids wear which is really for a less price as well. It doesn't always has to be a branded clothes. My baby also not always that he wears branded. So yes, please do mindfully things, which is really important, and it will be very helpful for your kids as well, so that they can get along with all the activities in the school, which is very important. And yes, once my baby comes back from the school, while going also, he was actually crying, but yes, in the house he has stopped crying, I would say. And just when he sees the school, he starts crying. And yes, coming back also, when I went to pick him up also, I saw that he was actually not crying inside the school, because we can actually hear, I mean, I know my baby's voice. I mean, I can make out that this is my baby who's crying. So yes, I was not able to hear him crying, but as he saw the gate opening and he saw me start crying, it was a fake cry. 100% it was a fake cry. So yes, I can see the changes, and he is getting used to the school. And once he comes back to school from school also, I can see there's a lot of good changes. Like, you guys saw, he was actually removing the shoes by himself, socks by himself. He keeps it where it belongs, which is really a good thing. And I really love the all these new things that he's doing. And also, since it is holiday because of Moharram, and then Saturday, Sunday, so from school they sent us a homework. I mean, not a homework, it's like an activity that we can do with our babies, so we can spend time with them. So they also will not go away from the school thing, because since a gap of 3 days, definitely again they are gonna start disliking school. So it's really important that we do these activities, so they feel like okay, it's part of a like homeschool kind of a thing. And then yes, once he's done with that, as I say that I always don't give him rice, because as human we also get bored of eating rice every day. So yes, we want a different type of food. So for my babies also, I mean, every babies, I mean, they will, if they're refusing for a rice, then definitely it's a way that okay, they want to try something else. So yes, for my baby, I do spaghetti some days, I do pasta some days. But yes, everything is made of wheat. I don't prefer maida and white sugar. So yes, everything is healthy that I opt for. And there are a lot of recipes also, I mean, you guys can opt for it. And yes, rice also is good, but yes, it's good that some days we switch from rice and give them something else. And it's good. I mean, their interest towards food will be active. And also, once he's done with eating food, he will usually sleep in the swing. But today he wanted to sleep on my lap, and it was really emotional for me. I was so happy, because yes, it's a memory for me as well, so that I can cherish this. And then once he's awake, and I gave him avocado juice, and that is how the day actually ended.